Hey everyone, this is Galo from Outline Planner. So I think I said before, but I want to highlight this. I'm crazy about speech to text notes on my iPhone whenever I'm out of the office and I have some free time to brain dump my mind. So I want to show you how you can use the speech to notes feature to brain dump everything you have or to take notes on the go using your iPhone directly inside your digital planner. I'm using Noteshelf app for that, and I'm also using the outline planner to keep my notes organized. So inside the Noteshelf app, use the type tool, but I think you can also do that in GoodNotes and Notability. Use the type tool and make the text box bigger, and then use this small microphone on the bottom right side corner and tap it once and start talking. In order to have those notes written, you have to talk a bit slower, but not too slow. And you also have to say a few additional words like new paragraph when you want to create a new line, or period when you want to add a dot at the end of the phrase, or comma or exclamation point. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to tap the microphone and I'm going to start talking. This is a speech to text note that I am taking inside my digital planner. Period. New paragraph. I am so obsessed with this new feature. Actually, it's feature, comma. So I'm using this every single day. Period. New paragraph. I know it's not perfect, and I know some of my words are not written exactly as I said them, but even so, this is a nice way and an easy way to take my notes hand-free and when I am on the go. You see, that's it. So now you can use your phone to take your speech, to convert your speech into text and keep your notes organized inside your planner. I actually use it to manifest my intentions for the week or for the day. So I hope you will use it as well.